It feels like they are always playing basketball here. I think last time I came, they were also playing. What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Another week to Frimley, another video to Frimley, and today we are in Malmö. We're going to a really good, or like really famous neighborhood, or like architecture, characteristic architecture. It's like close to Turning Torso. I don't really know. I don't really remember the name of the neighborhood, but it's like right there. So it's made. It was like designed by a Spanish architect, Santiago Calatrava. I mean, not the best architect, to be honest, in my opinion, coming from Spain, because he did some stuff, but in my opinion it was not like the best things that you could do as an architect. We're gonna go there. We're gonna be talking a little bit about some interesting stuff. So let's get into it. Yeah, and for those that live in one, like or in some Nordic country like Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Finland, you should know that SATS, for example, which is like one of the most famous gyms, is actually that one is in all the Nordic countries, like Norway and Denmark as well. While, for example, there's one which is really affordable, which is the 24/7 fitness 24/7. That's like the minimum, and then we also have Nordic Wellness. That's all in Sweden. You can only find it in Sweden.
All the right words poured from your mouth, holding me tight, saying I'm all yours, but I feel in my gut it doesn't feel right. I see in your eyes, tell me no lie, 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 lie. Tell me no lies, tell me no lie. Tell me no lies, tell me no lie, 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 lie. Tell me no lies, tell me no lie, 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 lie. Let's talk about it.
It's funny because the Turning Torso can be seen almost from the full city, like from the whole city. Kind of crazy. And something I need to do is to take away my cap, because with all the wind that you can find always in this city, same in Copenhagen, the caps, they fly away. So this place never stops amazing me. Like, to be honest, to be able to see like the other side, like Denmark, from here, and see like the other spot, which is like over there. Because this is not something that maybe in the south of Spain you can see that. You can see like Africa from the south of Spain. But anyway, what I wanted to talk about in this video is regarding the importance of communication in every aspect of your life. Either if it's with your friends, with your manager, your colleagues from work, your couple. The communication is probably the most important soft skill that you can train, and you can like make it better, because it's like the key for a successful and healthy relationship with anyone, person, with any human being. It's definitely the most important thing that you can do. So that was the first, and then the other one, and I kind of like with so many friends, and I kind of like with so many guys and with some friends as well, even myself included in the past, it's important that when you're interested in meeting someone, and like even if it's your friend or you want to hang out or it's important to get their contact and to ask the person that you see the person cool. Like, I don't know, like imagine you're like in New York or like in Dubai or like in Bali, and you find someone that it's interesting to meet and to, I don't know, to make business with, to date, in case if it's a girl, or to do whatever thing that you consider, and that person consider also that it's interesting to do, that you ask the person if the person wants to hang out with you, wants to grab a coffee and talk, or have a date, in case it's a girl, or if you're interested in her, obviously, like when it comes to like physical or like emotional attraction. Obviously it's important to say that the attraction comes later, in my opinion, but it's definitely key to ask the person out. If you see a girl and you start, holy shit, if you see a girl and you find interesting her, you find cute the girl, and you then start talking with her, in the end you need to ask her, you need to tell her that she looks cool and if she wants to hang out, and then after ask for the contact, because I know so many people that do not do that, and then they regret sometimes for the rest of their lives, or like for the rest of like the week or whatever situation. So it's really important whenever you meet someone you find interesting, in case it's someone like, I don't know, 5 billion euros or dollars business, and it's really interesting, and you find that business like applicable, or like it can be applied to what you know and what you do, ask the person out, ask to go and grab a coffee with that person, because he will or she will teach you stuff that you don't know, and then that will help you in improving your work or your business or whatever thing you're doing. So it's not just about girls, it's more about doing networking, being able on how to do networking, and this is probably some stuff that I learned maybe a bit too late, but definitely if you find someone that is doing better than you, for example, in case if it's on the business or like networking stuff, ask the person out and ask like for an appointment or for a date, and that you think that the business or the money or whatever thing that the person is making you find interesting, and then you want to grab a coffee and know more about that person. Doesn't matter if it's a girl, it doesn't matter if it's business, but obviously it's not, in the end of the day you're not interested for the same stuff, but it kind of like comes from the same roots. The idea that if you find someone that is doing something that you find interesting and you find cool, or if the person is cool, for example a girl, then in the end you need to ask the person out for hanging out later during the week or later in another moment. In the end, ask for the contact, LinkedIn, number, Instagram, wherever. Yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. I think talk about this. I'm gonna get my latte and getting back to center of Malmö to grab my bus to Stockholm, back to Stockholm today. Hope you enjoyed the video, or maybe not, but wherever, so hope you enjoyed the video, and as always remember to subscribe here to Family Talking in case you haven't done that yet. We're up here for my last upload on the channel, which was this last Saturday. So yeah, as always remember to stay always friendly.
Let's talk about your